This time, Hannah's going to show us how she can crawl. There she goes. Hannah, what are you looking for? Come get Mommy. Here she comes. Look at the progress she's making. You can do it, Hannah. Good job. She made it all the way to the hardwood floor. Look up, Hannah, and give us a smile. Yay! Good job. Smile for everyone. Let me see Hannah's face. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. I love you.